Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reset your change filter light when it's flashing here on your Germguardian air purifier. The model number for this unit is in the description as well as the title, so you will have to do this even if you change your filter. You have to reset this manually. Now to do that, we're just going to hold down our button here. Just like that, our speed button, and as you see, no more flashing light. Now we did this, we didn't actually change our filter. I'm just trying to get a little more use out of it because they are fairly expensive. So that's all there is to it. And we're just going to try turning it off, and we turn it back on. As you can see, still no flashing light. Gives you a little more life. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And since we got a little time on our hands, we're going to show you the model number here. And there's the information right there. Thanks for watching, everybody.